What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. If you guys are new here, my name's Keegan. This is the Celtic Lawn Service YouTube channel. Today we had something very special come in the mail, so without further ado, let's show you what it is. Alright guys, so we got a speed trap chute. You guys can probably guess what it is already. It is a chute blocker for our Exmark mower. Today we're going to be unboxing it and installing it. Before we get any farther in this video, I want you guys to go down, like, subscribe, and share. It means a lot to me, and we're making better content for you guys. So without further ado, let's get to it. Hey guys, here it is, all unpacked. First we have the main chute, and we have this, whatever this is for, we'll find out in the manual. We have the manual, and we have the hardware. So we're gonna get this jacked up, take the original one off, and then install this. Alright guys, so my dad's going to be helping moving this. We're going to be jacking it up, taking the original one off. So needs sockets to take the original one off, because there is bolts under here. And then this right here will pop right off. And then easy as that. So stick this thing. Too big. That's what I thought. I thought that socket would be too big. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when we get this off. Alright guys, so I just got it popped off. Basically all I had to do was take this, put it under the deck, right there, that hole, and then this piece fell off. It was supposed to, because it goes like right there, like that. And then this just pops right off. And then we're going to take this piece and that spring off, and then put that piece on. Let's go. Alright guys, so I just took it off. It was really easy. Basically the only thing to do is pull this off. So I'm going to put that to the side. It's a little dirty, and I want it to be clean to put the other one on. So I'm going to take a couple wipes here. I like these wipes because they're big, so they can cover a lot of space, and they're also really heavy duty. So I'm going to wipe this down, and then after that, we are going to be putting the chute blocker on. You want to have a clean space, or not a clean space, a clean spot to put it on, because then it'll be easier to see where your parts are, and it won't be covered in grass. You see anybody in the background? It's my dad. He's just fixing up some stuff on the mower. But yeah, other than that, this is really clean. I keep my mowers really maintained, because as this channel goes on, and as I post more videos about mowing grass and all that, you'll find out that my stuff is really clean. And yeah, so I'm finishing up, last a couple wipes, and then after that, when we get to put the piece on. Alright, and then that will do it for that. And then I'm going to grab them pieces off the table. My dad's going to help me with installing it, and then after that, we're going to can't mow today because it's raining out, but tomorrow I'm going to be coming out with a video, and we're going to be mowing with this, mowing the property with the new chute blocker. So this speed trap chute blocker is really easy to install. All you do is take this, there's a piece, and then this chute blocker, take that, put it in that hole there, tighten it, there's a hole there, take a bolt there, tighten it, and then where's the other hole? Right there. And tighten it. So then after that, you have it on. So I'll catch you guys after we get it installed.
Square bales, flatbeds, clothesline sunsets, sky blue, barn red. Wind chimes, front porch, good dogs, wood floors, work boots, open doors, and miles of John Deere green, freedom far as I can see.
Alright this is very exciting. First, put that piece on. Oh, wait. Yep. Put this piece on. Slide it on. Open it up. Push it in still. Got my little pins for the so it holds on, doesn't fall off. And now after I put this on, we're going to see how it works. Because I am very excited about this. So put this on, if I can get it on. And then we take this, which is, short, don't fit. Alright, we're gonna fix that. Alright guys, so we put the main chute on just because we only had to put two little pins in and slide it in. So what we had to do with this is it was too short, couldn't go over. So we took it off, put it on, and then now we're going to put it back on right here. Wait, nope.
No.
Go
You
here.
had it right. You had it right.
Here.
Yes.
So then now we're going to run it through and make sure it is really tight. Because it'd be a bad day if this thing fell off. Thing is not falling off. There you go. See, that's always up. I had it in the wrong way. Now I just want to screw this thing in. Now we're going to hold down with some pliers. Make sure that thread's in really nice. Alright guys, she's all done. I'm very excited to try this out. So let's see how it works. So pretty exciting. We don't need this anymore. Because we don't have a flap in it, or we don't have a bungee cord or a flap to hold it up. So what we do is take this. Oh man, this feels good. Yeah, look at that thing. Yeah. Oh boy. That makes me really happy. This thing worked really good. I think it was, for the price, I think it was really worth it. And I think just alone, the product, I think this will make the flower beds look much easier. There won't be as much grass in there. We won't have to blow it off. So I think that will help with that a lot. If you guys enjoyed this video, it would mean a lot to me if you guys like, subscribe, and share. It means a lot to me, and we're making better content for you guys. See you on the next one. Peace.